Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Happy Saturday, beautiful people. Kumusta ang weekend? Kumusta? Good afternoon po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 1:25 p.m. po dito sa Ontario. It's Tita here. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are having fun, and enjoying life. Diba? Merry Christmas na, malapit na. Yes, awesome. So anyhow, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Every single day, meron tayong mga bago. But anyhow, bago o luma man, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Thank you for engaging in my post or sharing my post. So yes, thank you so much. I appreciate it talaga. But anyhow, so nilagay ko po sa aking caption diyan. Pag-usapan natin ito yung talagang common question dito sa aking business. So most of you guys na nag-follow sa akin, you know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko using social media platforms. Kaya nagla-live ako sa Facebook, nagpo-post ako regarding my business because it's worth sharing, and for you also it's worth for you to check it out. Of course, I won't say na everything is like, it's not one size fits all. That's what I'm gonna say, because although we always say it's for everybody, it's open for everybody. However, hindi lahat ay willing na mag-sacrifice to build their own future. What I mean by that is that hindi lahat ay willing na mag-step out sa kanilang comfort zone or in a traditional way in order to have a better future. Kasi talagang tawag nun, we are trained to mostly of us, especially mga Filipinos, tayo mga Filipinos are talagang pinalaki, at least ako, ganun ako pinalaki, na mag-aral ka so you can find a nice job so you'll have a better future, better life. So which is amazing, and I am grateful na kahit na kami ay mahirap, ay pinag-aral kami ng parents namin. Diba? So it's a good foundation. However, hindi porket nakatapos tayo ng kolehiyo, nakahanap tayo ng magandang trabaho, ay we will stop there. No. Because hindi dapat porket nakatapos tayo ay will end up there. Because think about it. There are a lot of people who graduated college or who has master's degree or whatever degrees that they have, yet naghihikaw sa buhay. Why? Because they don't, they just stop there. We're supposed to be evolving. Because lahat ng kung ano yung nalalaman natin before is hindi na applicable now. Diba? And, but anyhow, we're not gonna go deeper into that. Nang nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption, thank you. I got lots and lots of inquiries today. Lots and lots of people are interested to check my business out. And so it is amazing. Yes, awesome. I always say great job on on checking it out, because you have nothing to lose. This might be your lifesaver. Right? This online business. But anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is, yun ang aking mostly na question this week. How soon can I make money in this online business? Amazing question. Great question talaga. So anyhow, I will try my best to explain to you how, because it's a business. First of all, it's a business. Okay? And, sorry guys. Break muna. So first of all, it's a business. So ang business is nagfa-fluctuate yan. Hindi yan talagang plateau na katulad na, hindi yan plain lang talaga na katulad ng employed tayo. Because pagka-employed tayo, we know what we're getting. Right? We know how much we're gonna get paid every 2 weeks, how much we're gonna get paid in a month. We know. Right? So, naandyan, very predictable. However, ang business it's not. Right? So, online business is the same when you do a traditional business. Because think about it, it's not magic. It's not magic. So, it's like, let's say if you are going to do a traditional business, diba? Hindi ka kikita kaagad. Kasi it's your foundation. You have to build your foundation. You have to set up your business in a way na marami kang, maraming makakakita sa iyo. What I mean by that is, doon sa foundation mo is na andun yung mag-umpisa kung saan ang location mo. Right? You have to put yourself out there para makita ka kung saan yung location mo. So, like for now, whether you are doing an online business or a traditional business, you have to have a website para makita ka ng mga tao na you have a business. Right? Or you have to do something, you have to advertise your business para malaman ng mga tao kung anong meron doon sa business mo, di ba? So you have to do that. So it's the same way with online business. Okay? Because dito is talagang it depends. It's up to you. There are people na kumikita na kaagad ng malaki in their first months. There are people dito na nag-retire na kaagad from their traditional job 4, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years into the business. So it depends on us, okay? So my second month ay kumita na. My first month, 3 weeks. My first month, kumita na kaagad ako in my business. And in the next month meron. And then ano siya, parang naglaylo siya. This is my first year that I'm talking about. Naglaylo siya. And then almost another inquiry. So almost talagang Ronaldo, thank you for watching. Thank you. And naandyan na kaagad. Right? So in my first year, I could say na kumita na ako kaagad. My first month. Yan ang sasabihin ko, my first month. But there are lots of people in the business na 1 year saka lang sila nagkaroon ng traction. Diba? So parang yung sa akin is 1 month kumita na kaagad ako, pero parang parang nag-plain lang siya. And then by the close to 1 year, kumita uli ako, and that was my first 4 figures, I believe, kung ganon. And then sakala ako kumita ng 5 figures 3 years in the business. Right? Pero meron dito, marami dito na less than a year pa lang is nag 5 figures na ang kita. Few months pa lang in the business, ang pinaka bata na alam ko na nag-retire dito sa business, yung kasama ko ay 23 years old. Pero 6 months into the business, 5 months into the business, nag-retire na siya. So it really depends. Hindi lahat hindi yan, tawag nun, depende sa atin. So, the best part is that dito po sa business na ginagawa namin is naandyan ang training. Okay? Naandyan yung mentorship. Naandyan yung hindi ka bibitawan. Hindi ka, pagka nag-umpisa ka, hindi ka mag-iisa. Naandito kami para i-guide ka. Kuvena, thank you for watching. Hello po, watching from Dubai. Oh, wow! From Dubai. I was in Dubai for 4 years before I came to Canada. I was there. I was in Al Ain for 3.5 years, and then I was in Dubai for I was in Palm Jumeirah for the last 6 months before ako nagpunta dito sa Canada. So yeah, so I hope Dubai is good, and siguro malamig na dyan ng konti pero wala kayong snow dyan. Yeah. Yeah, so anyhow, parang ano dito, parang traditional business. Kaya lang ang kagandahan nga po dito sa aming business, because naandito kami para i-guide kayo. So parang ito, pagka nag-umpisa ka, thank you sa mga hearts at sa mga thumbs up diyan. Pagka nag-umpisa ka dito ay hindi ka mag-iisa. Nandito kami para i-guide ka. At parang dito, naandyan na parang all-in-one package na ito. Parang franchise na hindi ka gagastos ng million para para i-grow ang business mo. But definitely, merong investment. We are 100% legitimate. Nagbabayad kami ng tax. It depends kung saan kami. Dito sa Canada at saka USA, ang ano namin ay tinatanggap namin ang aming checks by mail. Pero sa ibang bansa, in the Philippines, in Dubai, I think, kasi global kami, I think sa inyo is it will go straight into your bank account. So that means pagka nag-umpisa ka, you have to set up your bank account in order to receive your commission. So dito sa amin is checking ang tinatanggap namin dito. Yeah. So anyhow, ganun. So the same way talaga na traditional business. So circle back doon sa aking caption, how long can I make money into this online business? So it's up to you. Depends on you. Right? Because this is your own business. This is your own business. So, nasa sa atin yun. Ang kagandahan nga lang is talagang naandyan na, provided na lahat ng tools para mag-succeed ka dito sa business na ito. So we will set you up for success. Nasa sa iyo na yan. Kung mag-plug in ka, nasa sa iyo na yan. Kung paano mo gagawin, kung paano bibigyan mo ng time ang business na ito. Right? So, nasa sa atin yun. But there are lots of support for you. Everything is provided to you. Right? So, yun ang ano ko dyan. So, yan lang ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo. Kasi yun ang talagang super na marami nagtatanong sa akin. Because, like, of course, we came into the business na magkaroon tayo ng extra kita. Right? But, you have to put it in your mind na talagang ilagay natin sa utak natin na this is the same way with the traditional business. So, kung gusto mong kumita ka agad, then you work on your business. Kasi naandyan na, provided na ang tools sa iyo. Bigyan mo ng time. Bigyan mo ng time. Kaya dito, kahit na ikaw ay full-time job or part-time job, pwede mong gawin ang business na ito on the side, but you have to give time on it. Okay? You have to set aside time for your business para ito mag-grow. Because what happened if you don't, then parang ganun din. Diba? Pagka nag-set up tayo ng traditional business, ganun din. Bibigyan natin ng time. Naandyan ka, nakaupo ka, naandyan ka sa, kung hindi mo bubuksan ang tindahan mo, edi walang bibili sa tindahan mo. The same way with this. However, dito, pwede nating dalhin kahit saan. Hindi ka mai-stuck sa isang lugar. Hindi ka talagang naandyan lang. Ito dala-dala namin. Once na ma-set up mo na ang business mo, ang cellphone mo talaga, ang smartphone namin talaga ang aming best friend. Kasi na-access namin lahat kahit saan pa kami. So yan ang kagandahan. So yun ang diferensya din sa traditional business, kasi naandyan ka talagang tututukan mo, di ba? Dito hindi, kasama namin ito. So you can do a few hours na talagang kung gusto mo meron ka, but we can always use like a packet of our time. So halimbawa nung pagka nasa job ka, yung break time mo, yung lunch break mo, makakapaglaan ka ng 5, 10, 20 minutes. Ganon. Kasi hindi ito katulad na sa traditional business na talagang uupuan mo. No. But you still have to give time. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Kasi hindi mag-grow ang business mo kung hindi mo aaralin ang training, kung hindi mo bibigyan ng time. Diba? So ganun din. But anyhow, when it comes to earning, nasa sa iyo 'yan. Nasa sa iyo 'yan. Kung kikita ka kaagad or patatagalin mo, nasa sa iyo 'yan. But one thing is for sure, kung tatrabahuin mo, kikita ka, mag-grow ka, and there will be a time na magre-retire ka din ng maaga. Ang dami-dami dito. Ako nakapag-reduce ako ng time ko ng workload ko. Hindi na ako nag-work ng full-time, part-time na lang, diba? But anyhow, tawag nun, malapit na po ako mag-grab muna ako ng coffee ko. But anyhow, if you guys would like to get some information about my business, nasa aking business page po ang aking website. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, at ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. And then, from there, pagka napanood nyo na ang webinar, feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to answer questions. Yeah. So anyhow, I hope it makes sense. And yeah, so don't be scared. We are 100% legitimate. So pagbigyan nyo ang sarili nyo. And yeah, so touch base with me or sign up at my business page or my website para po makapag-ano tayo. Emily, thank you for watching. So maraming salamat guys. Hindi na po ako magtatagal. Thank you guys for tuning in doon sa manonood ng replay. I hope it makes sense. And yeah, so touch base with you again maybe next day. And yes, so be safe. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. And God bless. Thank you guys.